Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with child abuse. Let's see here. My 15-year-old daughter, one night, she came to the house with the smell of marijuana. I hit her repeatedly, and she ended up with 2 broken fingers. My wife called the police, and they arrested me. Yes, even though corporal injury or corporal punishment is perfectly legal here in the state of California, you have to temper that. It can't be excessive. If you hit your child and you leave any kind of marks whatsoever, now you're in violation of California Penal Code Section 273A, parentheses A. That is a felony that carries anywhere from 2 to 6 years in state prison. Now, here in the state of California, you can legally hit your own child, not somebody else's child, your own child with an open hand. You cannot get a belt or anything of that nature. You can't get any object. You cannot hit a child with an object. It has to be with an open hand, and it has to be reasonable. Smoking marijuana, 15 years old, yeah, it's illegal. She's actually not just disobeying you, but she's committing a crime. So yeah, I would say that's basis to be upset. But at the same time, you can't be breaking her fingers. More likely, the DA will be upset enough that he's going to be looking for that higher range. Rather than looking for that 2-year state prison, he's going to be looking for that 6 years of state prison. Now, obviously, if you have a defense that maybe somebody else broke her fingers, or I don't know how she would have done it herself, then that would be a good one to go with. But, this is the reason why it's always important to exercise your Miranda rights. Remember, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, a public defender will be provided to you. Please be very, very careful when it comes to corporal punishment. You can legally hit them, but you cannot leave them any marks. And if you break anything, an arm, a leg, fingers, the DA is not going to look too kindly to that. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who was underage and got a DUI, criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.